model number of this product is Titan-P5. The color is lake blue. It is used to heat the antifreeze fluid. This product was designed by our company in 1998. Its shell is neat and accords with thermodynamics. The product is suitable for all kinds of vehicles. It has strong built-in pump and ceramic show thermostat. We have two different specifications for it. The first is 110 voltage with 1000 watt and 1500 watt. It is suitable for markets in the United States, Canada, and Japan. The second is 230 voltage with two different powers, 2000 watt and 3000 watt. It is suitable for markets in Europe and Australia.